Hi, this is Quinn and Kate at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and this is an area under our roll label table that holds all of our materials. And there's not really any standards behind where things are. They're all kind of just tossed in. We've got, maintenance parts mixed with various types of rolls. Different things are stacked with different things, so we're gonna make some improvements to it. All right, so now we're back after making those improvements. Up here, we've created a home for the masking tape as well as a label so you know what goes back there if it leaves. Previously, it was on this edge of the core here, and you'd have to take it off anytime you go to load something. We've added a hook down here with the second half of this so that on things that we're not running it with, we don't have to take it on and off on all of those, but it's still here, easily accessible for jobs that we do require that second half for. We moved our Kanban sheet up to the top of the printer because it was previously covering the air vents here, and we want to make sure that we're getting the correct airflow. Down here, we've updated our standard on the label materials that we're now using Velcro to keep them closed rather than tape. That way we don't have a consumable piece on each one that we need to find the tape and put it on there, so we can just take that Velcro. Ideally, we just have one roll of each of these open at a time. So as we start to work through the inventory that we have open here, we'll only have one open at a time, so we only require one Velcro for each label size. We've added labels for each one that show what type of label they are so that they don't get mixed up. And then we've created a spot for our inks and replacement parts. Thank you.